Welcome to my channel Maths by Meenakshi. Today I will start exercise 2.5 of chapter 2 polynomials, class 9th NCERT Maths. So firstly you have to learn these identities before starting questions of this exercise. These identities are written here. First identity is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second identity is here plus, now minus, x minus y whole square. Only central term will be negative, square term will be positive. So you can learn in this way, x square minus 2xy plus y square. These first and last are same, but only sign of central term is changed. Third is x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y. Fourth one is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, where x is any variable and a and b are any constant numbers, positive and negative. Fifth is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Sixth one, x plus y whole cube, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Similarly, plus here we will do minus. Minus means first term sign will not change, other terms sign change. Minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So both of identities you can learn in this way. Eighth identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So you have to learn these identities, and these identities we will apply in the questions of exercise 2.5. Now first question of this exercise is, use suitable identities to find the following product. So in these question you have to use that identities which we have written before. Now x plus 4, x plus 10. Variable same. Now 4 and 10 are constant term, that are our a and b. Here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 10. So which identity we will use here? Fourth identity, that is x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now a is 4 and b is 10. Variable will be same. 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10. Now answer is 4 plus 10, 14, x 4 tens are 40. Now what is the product of these two functions, two linear polynomials? That is x square plus 14x plus 40. Now second part is x plus 8, x minus 10. Similar identity we will use in this question. Variables are same, only constant terms are changed. A is equal to 8 and b is minus 10. So साइन जरूर लिखना है आपने इसमें. तो इसमें भी यही आइडेंटिटी लगाएंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए प्लस बी इज नेगेटिव, प्लस ए इंटू बी 8 इंटू minus 10. Now answer is x square 8 plus minus minus 8 minus 10 minus 2x minus 80. These two parts are of same identity. Now answer is x square minus 2x minus 80. Third question, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. Same identity we will use in this part also. 3x, variables are same, only constant numbers are changed. Now here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 5, and we will write x as 3x. Now 3x square, आइडेंटिटी में हम x स्क्वायर लिखते हैं, तो यहाँ पे x हमारे पास 3x है, तो 3x स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस b, दैट इज़ 4 प्लस माइनस 5 इंटू x. plus 4 into minus 5. Now 3x square is 9x square plus minus minus 4 minus 5. Greater number has negative sign, so minus 1x आएगा, that can be written as minus x plus minus minus 20. So answer is 9x square minus, हाँ जी सॉरी, यहाँ x लिख दिया हमने, तो x हमारे पास यहाँ पे 3x है, तो यहाँ पे 3x आएगा, ये ध्यान रखना आपने, x को x नहीं लिखना, अगर x 3x है तो 3x ही लिखेंगे, बिकॉज वी हैव राइट हेयर 3x होल स्क्वायर. सो 4 minus 5 minus 1 into 3, 3. So answer will be 9x square minus 3x minus 20. Now fourth part is y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. Y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. Both terms are same. 3 by 2, 3 by 2, y square, y square. What is change here? Sign, plus and minus. So identity will be used here, x plus y, x minus y. X and y are same, but sign is change, plus and minus. And this is equal to x square minus y square. Now x here, x is y square, means y square whole square. अब x की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास यहाँ पे y स्क्वायर, और जो y है वो क्या है हमारे पास 3/2. तो ये ध्यान देखना है कि दो बार ये पावर कैसे आई है, एक तो ये पावर स्टेटमेंट में गिवन है और एक ये आइडेंटिटी की पावर लगाई है माइनस. अब 3/2 y की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास 3/2 होल स्क्वायर. अब पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी, 2 into 2 4, y पावर 4 एंड 3 स्क्वायर इज 9, 2 square is 4. This is the answer of fourth part. Now fifth part is 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. See here, both terms are same, only signs are changed, minus and plus. Now again that identity we will use, x minus y, x plus y is equal to x square minus y square. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2x. Now x square means 3 square, y square means 2x whole square. 3 square is equal to 9 and 2 square 4, x square that is x power 2. This is the answer of fifth part. With this part question first is completed. Now start. Second question is, evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. Now you have to use identities to multiply these questions. 103 into 107. 103 is near about 100. That can be written as 100 plus 3. And 107 is also can be written as 100 plus 7. Now you can see here 100, 100. That is x is equal to 100. Same. 3 and 7 both are different, sign is same, so a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 7. Now which identity we will use here? Fourth identity, that was x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now x is equal to 100 means 100 square. A plus b, that is 3 plus 7. X is equal to 100 and AB means product of AB, that is 3 into 7. 100 square, that is 10,000. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 into 100, 1000 plus 21. Now when you will add this number, answer will be 11021. Second part is 95 into 96. Both numbers are nearest to 100. Now 100 minus 5. 95 can be written as 100 minus 5. And 96 also can be written as 100 minus 4. Now see here 100, that is x, same. A and B are different. Same identity we will use here. X is equal to 100, A is equal to -5, B is equal to -4. You have to write the sign with number. Now identity will be x plus A, x plus B is equal to x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. Now what is the value of x? That is 100 square. Now A and B both are negative, so write carefully with sign these numbers. -5 plus -4 and x is 100. Now AB -5 into -4. Now 100 square is 10,000. -5 plus -4, that is -9. -9 into 100 -900, and both term are negative, and negative gives us positive sign. Now you can add plus minus, you can do in any way. So firstly add positive numbers, then subtract the number from this. The answer will be 9120. Second part is completed. Third part is 104 into 96. 104 can be written as 100 plus 4, and 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Now see here, both numbers are same. 100, 100, 4, 4. What is the change here? Plus and minus. So identity will be x plus y, x minus y. Now this identity is equal to x square minus y square. Now x is 100 and y is 4. You have to taken the value of y is 4, not -4, because according to these identity, these signs are in identity also, plus plus minus minus. So take the value of y is here positive. Now x square, that is 100 square, minus y square is 4 square. 100 square is 10,000, 4 square is 16. Now the answer of this part is 9984. When you subtract these numbers, you will get the answer 9984. Now third question is factorize the following using appropriate identities. So हमें अब क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन गिवन है, तो हमने इसको फैक्टराइज करना है. 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 6xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. स्प्लिटिंग मिडल टर्म से भी हम फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं, बट हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है वो है आइडेंटिटीज़ के लिए. तो आइडेंटिटीज़ को यूज़ करके इस क्वेश्चन को हमने सॉल्व करना है. 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 6xy प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. 9x इज़ द होल स्क्वायर ऑफ 3x. 9 इज़ द होल स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 एंड x नाउ होल स्क्वायर प्लस. आप पहले फर्स्ट और लास्ट को होल स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया करो. y square means y whole square. So what is the identity? X square plus y square plus 2xy. 2xy, तो 6xy को हम कैसे ब्रेक कर सकते हैं? 2xy, x क्या है यहाँ पे? 3x और y क्या है? y. So 2 into 3, 6x into y, xy. 6xy can be factorized in this way. This is very easy way. So here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to y. Now the result is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this identity is equal to a plus b whole square. Now a is 3x and b is y. 3x plus y whole square. Factorize, we have to do factors of this. Now power is 2. It can be written as 3x plus y into 3x plus y. This is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation has two factors. These two factors are 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Same factors because power is 2. Second part is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. सो वैसे ही हमने जैसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में किया, फर्स्ट पार्ट में फर्स्ट और लास्ट को पहले होल स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो सेंट्रल टर्म अपने आप ही ब्रेक हो जाती है. 4y² मीन्स 2y होल स्क्वायर. 1 means 1 square. So here a is 2y and b is 1 minus 2ab. तो देखो ये 4y कैसे फैक्टराइज होगा, 2ab. जब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हमारा सेम यही बनता है. इट मीन्स ये ऐसे भी लिखा जा सकता है. ये फैक्टराइज हो चुका है 4y. तो अब हमारे पास क्या बनेगा, देखो a² माइनस 2ab प्लस b² is equal to a minus b whole square. Here a is 2y and b is 1. Now it can be written as 2y minus 1 whole square. 2y minus 1 whole square means 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1. These are the factors of this equation. Third part is x² minus y² over 100. So firstly we will convert these two terms as whole square. x² y over 10 whole square. Now what result we will write here, x² minus y², that is x minus y into x plus y. X is equal to x and y is equal to y over 10. Now x minus y over 10, x plus y over 10. These are two factors of third part. With this third part, question third is completed. Now fourth part is expand each of the following, expand each of the following using suitable identities. So fifth identity we will use to expand this question. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. It's very simple. You have to put these values in that identity. So first and second part you will do yourself. I am doing here third part, that is x plus y plus z whole square. Now x, y, z are already given, so you can write here a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a² plus b² plus c² plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In identity I have changed the name of variables that are x, y, z. In that identity now I have written a, b, c because in statement x, y, z are given. Here a is equal to minus 2x. Sign you should take along with the number. B is equal to 3y and C is equal to 2z. Now these three values we will put in this identity right hand side. Minus 2x square plus 3y whole square plus 2z whole square. So आपने इसमें साइन का ज़रूर ध्यान रखना है कि साइन आपने साथ लगाना ही लगाना है. यहाँ भी आप a की वैल्यू पुट करोगे. प्लस 2a, what is the value of a? Minus 2x. b is 3y plus 2bc, 2bc plus 2ca. c is 2z and a is minus 2x. Now what is the answer? Minus 2 whole square gives us positive answer, that is 4x square. 9y square plus 4z square. Now plus minus, product of plus minus is minus. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, that is 12xy. Now plus these numbers are positive, now sign will be positive. 2 3 the 6, 2s are 12yz plus minus minus 2 2 4 4 2 8 into zx. Now this is the answer of third part. First and second part you will do yourself. Now fourth and fifth part, these parts also you will do yourself. Now sixth part is x is equal to 1 by 4a. and y is equal to minus 1 by 2b and z is equal to 1. Now identity is x square, that is 1 by 4a whole square plus y square, that is minus 1 by 2b square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. 1 by 4 means 1 by 16 whole square. Minus 1 by 2 whole square is plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1. Now these two are cancelled. Now plus minus 1 by 4 multiply by 1, that is 1 by 4 a b. 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Plus minus b into 1 b. 2 and 4 can be cancelled. Now 1 into 1, sign will be plus 1 by 2a. Now this is the answer of sixth part. So tough parts I have done for you. Now these very simple parts you will do yourself. So with this question, with this part, question 4 is completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos.